One of the amazing things that Builderall offers is an e-commerce store. So they offer you can build an e-commerce store, which is something that is amazing, using the Magento. So I'm just gonna take you through, how the store looks like. And a good thing about it is that it's already, done. The template is already there, so already you have something that you can work on, which is way better than Shopify. And if you already signed in on Builderall, what you need to do is just navigate, from your dashboard and come to here on, you know, e-commerce Magento. And once you click on here, it's gonna direct you to here. Then from here, you're gonna connect the domain, and it's gonna take within 5 minutes. You're gonna have something like this. Boom, this is gonna be your store. You can customize it. This is amazing already. I like it. It's a complete store. People can create an account, can sign up, so you can customize all of this and change this from the back end. And if you are looking, for an e-commerce, uh builder, or if you are looking for, building a store, then Builderall is the platform for you, because it won't only offer you, a store builder, but it's got over 40 marketing tools. It includes one of the very important tools that businesses cannot survive without. I'm talking about email marketing tool, I'm talking about website build, I'm talking about funnel builder, I'm talking about chatbot build, I'm talking about, auto post or social media scheduling. There's just a lot of things, and I can't name all of them, but it is exciting, to have such a platform, because you can do a lot of things from just one platform. And even, one of the amazing, tools that they have is creating an online store with Builderall, and they make it easier for you, because already they have something like this, which is a template. All you need to do, if you are selling a share, you can just replace this guy here with your share for books or whatever. It's just so amazing. The platform is user friendly, and from the admin side, this is how it integrated already on Builderall. One of the things that I love about Builderall is that they partner with these guys. If you were to go to Magento right now and create a store directly, you're gonna be paying some dollars there, but with Builderall, what I like, they already have these things integrated in their platform, and for you to use them as a Builderall user, you get to use them for free, and which is one of the amazing things that I love about Builderall. The value that they give is so much, because they are paying these guys a lot of money for these integrations, and you get to use all of this for free by just becoming a member on Builderall. And if you like to create an online store like this one here and start selling your products or whatever that you like to to share, make sure that you visit the link that you see on the screen, or click on the link. The first link in the description is gonna take you to a Builderall 14 days trial, where you get access to all the tools, and also this one here, where you're gonna be able to create an online store. And Builderall looks like this. This is where, once you're logged in, this is all the tools that you're gonna have. And as I was saying, you see, this is the e-commerce Magento here. If I enter here, it's gonna take me to the dashboard of e-commerce builder, but everything is inside Builderall. I'm managing everything from just Builderall. Once I'm here, if I click on open store, she's gonna take me, you see, so everything is found on Builderall. So if you like to build something like this, make sure that you get Builderall and start creating and building your online store today. All right, cool guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video of today. Let me know by hitting that a subscriber if you have not subscribed, like this video, and let me know what you think. If you have any questions, in the comment sections. Otherwise, I will see you on the next video. Keep safe. Bye.